Hello viewers. Today we're going to learn about how to use your intended ROI to create your study area. And that means you can create, you can select what area do you want to analyze. Say for this whole image, you don't need to analyze everything. Maybe you need some small areas. Then how can you operate this analysis? So it is wise to create your own study of interest, and then you can create the subset from that ROI using Envi. Initially, we have two steps. One step is you manually create your ROI and then create subset from that ROI of that raster image. The second way is, say you have special some GIS shapefile for a specific area, then you can use that shapefile to create your study area subset. So let me show the first step, and then I will show you the second one as well, step by step. Say click here, then you have several options. You can check on polygon, geometry, and then rectangle, ellipse. So usually we select polygon, but whatever you want you can do. You can select rectangle. Why usually we do select polygon? Because we can go about through a specific area that we want to create the subset. For instance, so this is not uh, equally shaped. So if I want to get this area, then there is no way using without using this polygon. Because if you use this one, say if you click something like this, then you will get this rectangle shape that will sometimes include or exclude your intended area. Okay, but if we don't select that, then we can go one by one to find our own area. Say I want to select this area, then I can create this polygon shape area, and then click here. So if you want, you can rename your ROI study area. I just want to analyze this area NDPI or classification. So I just created this study area, and then click on enter. After clicking on enter, you just go and go to the toolbox and type ROI. Okay, so you will see this option subset from ROI. Okay, so say you need this one, the first one, or any layer you want to create this, any raster layer that you need to create your ROI. For my case, the first one is the our uh, multi-layer or uh, raster image. So I want to use this one. Click OK. And then say my state area is my region of interest. Click on this one. Then so let's save it in desktop. 30. Okay, click OK. Now you got it. So you see, I created this ROI, but I got the rectangle shape. So this is an intentional mistake that you also can do this unintentionally. So what happened? You need to mask the outside area of that ROI, then you will get exactly the same area you wanted. So let's redo it, and then we will see that what will be the result. So select this one, click OK. See, we have masked pixel outside of ROI. Then previously it was no, and we have this rectangle shape. But if you click on yes, and then click a study area, then study area mask. Okay, so I'm saving in the desktop as well. Click OK. Now You see, you have this exactly same area you wanted to get as your study area. Now we'll so let me summarize. If you put mask, then you can get the exactly same area, and if without masking, you will not you will get a rectangle shape surrounding that study area. So let me show the second way using the GIS shapefile. So I have already imported my GIS shapefile, this one. So this is a shapefile uh, of a specific area about that image. So if you don't see anything, then you can click here. It will create the zoom extent, and say this is actually an area of Chittagong that is located in Bangladesh, and this is about this image. Okay, you can see our raster image has this GIS shapefile. We can also use this for our study area. So if anyone interested to create uh, their study area based on GIS, they just need to import it and then follow the same way. Say, click on the subset from ROIs, click on your image, the raster image, then okay. See, now I have to select this one, just this one. Then you have to mask, otherwise you will get the same result like the previous one. CTG study area. So there is also another option, is clicking mask background value as 0 or NaN. You can also NaN, that means there will be no written value on NaN, but if you click put 0, it will create 0 value for you. Let's put it 0 for right now, and then click OK. You immediately get your result. See, you have your study area and nicely cropped for you. So now some of you may ask, how can I get this GIS shift file to create my intended study area? Answer is that in website, in different GIS database website, you can get most of the countries and cities GIS shift file. Maybe from some kind of shift file you need to modify it. Say we have GIS shapefile for the whole Bangladesh, and then but we need only from Chittagong city. And how can we create that a small shapefile for the city only? So I will show you in the way in our in next video how to create GIS shapefile using maybe using ArcGIS. That's it for today. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.